5 Best Stainless Steel Skillet. If you have something to fry, whether it's a big catfish fillet or small diced potatoes, these classic kitchen staple is the cookware to help you do it. Ideal for cooking at high heat, flipping and tossing foods is a snap. All products links is in description. Number 5. Let's start with the professional brushed stainless steel open skillet frying pan. 5-layer multi-ply encapsulated base induction gas electric, 12-inch. Designed to meet and exceed the expectations of pro chefs and home cooks alike, these encapsulated base multi-ply pans are packed with user-friendly features for amazing results every time. Perfect for searing and browning, stir-frying, pan roasting and more. Are versatile. Fry pans boast an aluminum core for even heating and exceptional responsiveness. Make breakfast, steaks, burgers, and even dessert. The only limit is your imagination. Links are given in description, you can buy it from there. Number 4. Another best option of stainless steel skillet is Tramontina Gourmet Stainless Steel Induction-Ready Tri-Ply Clad Fry Pan 12-inch, sear, brown, and pan fry with Tramontina Tri-Ply Clad 12-in fry pan. Constructed of a satin finished 18/10 stainless interior cooking surface, an internal layer of pure aluminum for optimum conductivity and a magnetic stainless steel exterior, the full clad process makes this Tramontina cookware a valuable investment which will prove its worth. Links are given in description, you can buy it from there. Number 3. Another good option is stainless steel durable wok. Triply stainless steel kitchenware, DAKIN etching non-stick coating inside and outside. Triply composite structure aluminum core fuses between 2 layers of stainless steel for quick and even heat transfer. Raised up honeycomb and fire textured pattern forms an outstanding and scratch resistant surface. Metal utensils safe, cooks like stainless steel with the benefits of non-stick cleanup. Firm riveted brushed stainless steel long handle provide a comfortable grip and stay cool while cooking on the stovetop. Suitable for all cooktops, dishwasher safe, oven safe. Links are given in description, you can buy it from there. Number 2. Another finest option is Breville Clad Stainless Steel Saute Pan. Clad stainless steel 3.5 quart saute pan with lid. This induction safe, warp resistant saute pan features tri-ply aluminum and steel clad construction for even heat distribution to ensure perfect sauce making. Links are given in description, you can buy it from there. Number 1. Another outstanding option is stainless steel tri-ply bonded dishwasher safe fry pan. If you have something to fry, whether it's a big catfish fillet or small diced potatoes, this classic kitchen staple is the cookware to help you do it. Ideal for cooking at high heat, flipping and tossing foods is a snap, thanks to the flat base and flared sides. The 8-inch pan is great for when you need to whip up small, quick bites. Links are given in description, you can buy it from there.